everyone! I hope you're doing great. I am your friend, Rocio Carrion, and today we're gonna learn about an awesome topic, the difference between this and these. So pay close attention. This is singular. It means only one thing. These is plural. It means two or more things. Let's look at some examples. This is a book. These are books. This is my pencil. These are my pencils. Repeat after me. This is my pencil. These are my pencils. Good job! Now I'm going to show you some things. You tell me if it's this or these. This is an apple. These are apples. This is my shoe. These are my shoes. This is his candy. These are his candies. I really hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Have fun!